In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the administration area in Prestashop. This guide will help you navigate the back end of your online store effectively, ensuring you can oversee all the key aspects of your business. To start, you'll need to access your shop admin. Go ahead and use your shop domain followed by admin at the end of the URL. This is where you'll log into your Prestashop back office. Once you are on the login page, enter your registered email address and password. This will grant you access to your dashboard. After you've inputted your credentials, simply click on the login button and you'll be redirected to your Prestashop back office dashboard, your command center for managing everything related to your store. Now that you're in the back office, let's take a closer look at what you can do here. First, you'll notice the dashboard. This is your main landing page where you can get a quick overview of your store's performance. Here, you'll see key metrics and recent activity that give you a snapshot of how your store is doing. Next, you'll find the order management section. This is crucial for handling your business transactions. You can process orders, manage invoices, track shipments, and deal with any customer returns, all from this one place. It's essential to stay on top of these tasks to ensure smooth operations. Moving on to catalog management, you'll have the tools at hand to add, edit, and organize your products. This includes managing your categories and any product attributes, making sure everything is well categorized for your customers' ease of navigation. In the customer management area, you can view and manage customer accounts. This includes their addresses and contact information, which is important for maintaining good customer relations and handling their queries efficiently. For driving sales, you'll want to explore the marketing and promotion section. It's here that you can create and manage your coupons, discounts, and promotional campaigns. These tools are vital for attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. Don't forget about modules. This part allows you to extend your store's functionality with various add-ons like payment gateways, shipping integrations, and marketing tools, providing your store with enhanced capabilities. Then there's design and customization. This is where the fun part comes in, as you can customize your store's appearance by managing themes and templates, ensuring it aligns with your brand. If you need to adjust settings, head over to configuration. Here you'll have access to settings related to your store's general information, localization, shipping methods, payment options, and much more. Furthermore, managing other key features such as quick access, help and documentation, employee management, and multi-store management can be found within the interface. Lastly, for ensuring that your store runs optimally, check out the optimization tools, which include database optimization, performance settings, and module management. While the back office is where all the administrative magic happens, remember that the front office is the public-facing side of your site, where your customers see and interact with your store. Both are integral to delivering a seamless shopping experience. That wraps up our guide on managing the administration area in Prestashop. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this information useful in efficiently running your online store.